Gawker. I farm in Fleetwood, Pennsylvania. I have an FJDynamics Auto-Steer Kit with the RTK antenna that I installed on my International 5288. You mark different points in the field here if there's like obstructions or something like that. When you set your line, there's a couple different options that you can use. You can set just a straight line to follow, or you can set it to follow a curve, like if you're doing contours or like along a fence row or something like that, and it'll keep following that same curve. Quite a bit of farming at night. I work a job during the day, so it's handy for that. Over the years, you kind of either start following a corn row instead of your marker, or you can't see where your marker is if you're planting into cover crop, even during the day sometimes, and it's real helpful for that. You don't have skippers or overlaps near as much, and like right now I'm doubling back, planting 15-inch beans with a 30-inch planter, so it's real nice for that, because you don't have to worry about planting in between as easy. You just go right back over, and it follows that same line and works out real well.